So now let us try to understand in Python um, method overloading, polymorphism, okay, will be achieved by two ways. One is that method overloading, comma, second one is method overriding. Okay, so polymorphism can be achieved by two ways: method overloading. Now we will try to understand how method overloading polymorphism will be achieved. Method overloading, it is two ways. Method overloading, two types. One is what? Method overloading, two types: operator overloading and method overloading. Okay, method overloading, two types: operator overloading, method overloading. Now we will try to understand by these two ways how the method polymorphism will be implemented. See, operator overloading, first of all, means operator. Suppose a function is here, okay, so suppose two variables are there, okay, that is what f name. Okay, f name is a variable, it holds a string, okay, Vasu. Okay, next one more string, l name, last name, is equal to, it holds a string, Miriam. Okay, now what happened? Now operator overloading means here plus operator I am using. Now concatenation, print bracket f name plus l name. Okay, so what happened here? F name is a string, a variable which holds a string, otherwise l name holds a string. So what I am doing? I am doing a concatenation here. Okay, if you compare, okay, after that what this same plus will be used for addition operation. Addition means what? Print x plus suppose 5 plus 6 plus 3. So here addition is being done. Okay, addition with the plus operator. Here plus operator is being used for addition of integers. Here plus operator is being used for concatenation. What? So this is not the comment in, it is comment in Java. It is we need to keep hash here. So here plus operator overloading means plus operator is being used for addition here. Here same plus operator means we are doing same thing but in different purposes. For here concatenation of strings, concatenation means concatenation of strings. Concatenation means addition of strings. Two strings are being added. Okay, here integers are being added. So same thing being done in different ways. Okay, different means addition is operator overloading, that is called operator overloading. Let us execute this one. What happened here? So see, this is a string. Okay, two strings are added and then this is the addition of 3 integers. So we can directly add the strings like this, print, okay, bracket, directly you add a string. Suppose string, I told you the string can be declared in double quotation or single quotation marks. It's nothing. Python is a string. Okay, now one more string is being added directly with one more string, okay, for beginners. Okay. Two strings are being added with the plus operator. So you compile this code, you will get the result Python for beginners. So this is called operator overloading. Operator overloading means here plus is being used for addition of strings. That is, addition of strings is called concatenation. Here addition of integers, floats. You can use floats, it doesn't matter. Okay. So next is what? Next operator overload. Next method overloading. How the method overloading is being achieved? See here, method overloading, as I told you that already it is here method overloading achieved here. Okay, how the method overloading? Okay, method overloading, this is called, we are calling different same method with the different parameters. Method overloading means hash polymorphism being achieved. Method overloading means, okay, method name same, but with different parameters. Try to understand. Method overloading means method name same. See, method name add same, but with a different parameter. Here 0 parameter, 1 parameter, 2 parameters, 3 parameters. So now we can say that polymorphism implemented over the methods with the same name. As per my definition, same thing can be done in different ways. Same thing means here that is what addition of numbers. Same thing, addition of numbers can be different ways. Different ways means here 0 parameter, 1 parameter, different ways. So addition is where I am executing the addition in different ways. So here I can say that method overloading polymorphism, method overloading polymorphism achieved here means different method name same with the different parameters. As I told you that polymorphism implemented over the functions. Here I have briefed some built-in functions. Here I have designed some user-defined functions. Okay. Now this actually is not function, this is method. So this is called polymorphism achieved through method overloading. Okay. So now if I want to do somewhat miracles here, see what happened. So now polymorphism achieved over methods, but if I want to say that if I keep this as class comment section, there is no any class here. Now this function becomes what? It becomes a function. Now keep this object also in comment section. Now what happened? Your function is declared. Now it becomes a function. Now under this it returns x plus y plus z. So suppose if you remove this all objects, okay, now what happened? Try to understand. So now polymorphism over a function, method overloading in functions. Then what happened? So whether it will be executed, add one missing, one required positional argument. So now this is what you remove this self keyword because it is not part of a class. Now it is a independent function, so no need of self there whenever function is declared. So now which values you have gotten, what are